If you're looking into the Radiology Tech program at CCI, you've probably seen the word externship come up a lot.
But what does it actually mean? And what are you doing during those hours? Here's exactly what it looks like. The program runs for 8 months total. The first 4 months are online, live lectures, labs, and simulations. You're building the knowledge base. Then the second 4 months are your externship. That's when you move into a real healthcare facility near you. Not a simulation, not a classroom exercise, an actual clinic, hospital, or diagnostic center with real patients, real equipment, and real stakes. The externship is 480 hours. During that time, you're gaining hands-on experience in radiologic procedures and patient care, radiation protection, equipment operation, patient positioning, and infection control protocols. You're working under the supervision and direction of a registered technologist and other members of the healthcare team. You're not shadowing from a corner. You're doing the job. Guided, supported, and supervised by professionals who've been doing this for years.
That's the difference between knowing how something works and actually being able to do it.
By the time you finish your externship, 3 things have happened that a classroom alone can't give you. 1, you have real hours in a real clinical setting on your resume. 2, you've built professional contacts inside a healthcare facility before you've even graduated. 3, you've already done the job. That confidence shows up in every interview after. CCI's Career Services Department also helps you prepare for interviews, build your resume, and connect with potential employers. So the externship doesn't end when the hours do.
The externship is the part of the program most people don't ask about enough, and it's the part that actually gets you hired.
480 hours, a real facility, a registered technologist supervising you every step of the way. CCI's Radiology Tech program is 8 months total. Link is in the description if you want to know more.